Welcome to the Map Observer. In this short video, we will give you a quick overview of the main interface elements so you know where to find the most important tools. At the top of the map, you can find the toolbar. It allows you to search for sites, navigate through previous map positions, open navigation in Google Maps, show your current location, and print the current map view. On the map itself, you can use the Select button to choose objects and view more detailed information. The Menu Grid button opens the sidebar. This sidebar contains the main Map Observer tools, including measurement tools, drawing tools, options to add layers, and the Layer Manager. On the side of the map, you can use the Zoom slider to zoom in and out, or return to the full map extent. At the bottom of the interface, you can see the current coordinate system and map scale. When opening the Map Observer, some menus may automatically collapse to give you more space for the map. You can show or hide these menus whenever needed. This gives you a first overview of the Map Observer interface. In the next videos, we will look at the individual tools in more detail.